Class, good morning. My dear students, as you know, nowadays COVID-19 problem is going on a lot of. How do we all protect ourselves from it so that we can all be safe? First, wear mask properly. Second, stay at least 6 feet from others. Third, wash your hand frequently. Fourth, don't touch your face, don't shake hands, and don't share food and waters with others. Dear student, in this way you can protect ourselves and other also. So take care. Yes student, today we'll discuss here a new topic, variance and standard deviations. So both the topic is different but related to each others. How to relate to each other? First we'll discuss here variance, then we'll discuss the standard deviation. The relation between the both here, when you find the standard deviation, then you will find the variance, then you can find the standard deviations. The first things, the symbol of the variance. The symbol of the variance, this is the symbol of the variance. This is the symbol of the variance. Or how to read this? How to read it? It is read with the sigma square. Sigma square. This is the symbol of the variance, sigma square. Then this name of this symbol is the name of this symbol. Name of this symbol is the sigma. Name of this symbol here sigma. Name of this symbol is sigma. Sigma are two types. This is also called the sigma, but this sigma and this sigma the different. This sigma using the summation, sum of the all observation, or this sigma used as a variance. The sigma square is the sigma square using the variance. And suppose you are using the standard deviation. Standard deviation symbol here only sigma. The standard deviation symbol is the sigma. A variance symbol here the sigma square. So both here, suppose you are finding the standard deviation, the first of all you will find the variance, then you will be find the square root of this value, then you will find here the standard deviations. In this way both topics are related to each others. Next things here, what the first year identity formula of the variance. Suppose data is ungrouped, four ungrouped data. So what is the identity of it? Suppose data is ungrouped, so then data is ungrouped, and how to find out the variance? The data is the observation. Suppose your observation here कि x1, x2, x3 dash 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 xn. Suppose this is the ungrouped data, or x1, x2, x3, the observation last is the xn. So how to find out the variance of these? So this, you will find the variance equal sigma square equal to sigma in summation of the x minus this x is the observation, and minus mean, this x is the represent the mean, a whole square upon n. So you can write the summation of the total x minus mean, when you finding the square of this and divide by the number of the observation, then you can find the name of this calculation is called the variance in sigma square. You can write also this here sigma. Suppose you can write the sigma xi square upon n minus this is called the mean of this, it means square of the mean. Suppose you can write in this way, suppose you can write this, both is the same. Second case, suppose frequency is given. Suppose कि frequency are given, second condition here कि frequency are given. Then how to find out the variance here? The sigma square equal to, then you find here sigma fx square upon n, and sigma n means n minus sigma fx upon n is whole square. What is the n here? N here called sigma f. N here called sigma f. What value of the n here? N is called as the sigma f. This is the short form of the n. The n here called the sigma f. The second way you can write in this way. Suppose series is the third condition here. Suppose data is the group continuous series. Continuous series means data is group data. 4 group data. 4 group data. So how to find out the variance here? Then you can find out the variance here. The variance equal h square into sigma fx square upon n minus sigma fx upon n is whole square. So both identity are same, this and this, but here different here h. And what is the h here? H here called the class interval. What is the h here? This is called the class interval. H here called the class interval. Suppose your data is the group, then you will be here multiply only h square, or this and this identity are the same. Sigma fx square upon n, sigma fx square upon n. Here sigma fx upon n का whole square, sigma fx upon, both identity are same but different only here h square, because here data is the group data, or here data is in the ungrouped data, but ungrouped but given the frequency, or this is the only without frequency data, only ungrouped data but without frequency data. This data is the ungrouped but with frequency, or this data is the frequency and class interval, having the class interval also, any group data is. So this is your identity. The shortcut method of this is called, name of this method is the shortcut. And next third part is shortcut method of the calculating the variance. What is the shortcut method here? The shortcut method of next year shortcut method. Shortcut method. Shortcut method to calculate variance, VARANC. What is the means? Technique is same. This is the class and continuous frequency, but only difference here, the variance means sigma square equal to h square are same, but what difference here? Sigma fd square upon n minus sigma fd upon n is whole square. Identity are same, but here changing the d. In last form identity are only x, or in this identity here d. So what is the d here? D here the step deviation method. D here is called the step deviation method. So where here d is the step deviation. Step deviations method. D here deviation, or what value of the d here? D here called the x minus a upon h. Or what is the a here? A is called the assumed mean. A here called the assumed mean. A here called the assumed mean. D here called the, this is what is value of the d? D x. What is the x here? Observation xi. Xi means observation minus assumed mean upon h. Xi means assume, this is the observation minus assumed mean upon h. Suppose you are solving in this technique, the value of this when you calculating this step, this is called the d, or when you putting a d here is called the step deviation method, this d. Then you can find the name of this method is the shortcut method. The name of this method, when you find with help of the step deviation, the name of this method is the shortcut method. Yeah, otherwise you can say a step deviation method, and this method name is only general methods of this sigma fx square upon. So both the technique are same. So you are using the step deviation, but when you using the step deviation, then calculation is very easy. When using this technique, then calculation is the easy for the solve the questions. अरे यार कितना हो गया, 4 2 6 6 8 8 14 14 6 20 20 20 20 20 24 25 26 26 26 32 40 40 4 4 5 6 7 8 9 2 11 12 13 14 15 150 है कि 10 14 प्लस 5/10 5/10 क्या है यहाँ पे ऑब्जर्वेशन. अच्छा ए सिग्मा एफ डी क्या था इसमें, सिग्मा एफ डी जो चल रहा है इसका सिग्मा डी कितना है, सिग्मा डी 5 एम या 10 और एच वैल्यू 2. Then how to calculate this data? This step is different type of step. This is the step is the square of the deviations. This is square of the deviations here. Deviation from the mean. This is the, you will find this with help of the mean. This will find with help of the mean of this. This is the 15 here is called the mean. First we will find the mean of the data here. The n here total number of observation, a here assumed mean, h here difference of this the difference of the observation, or d sigma d here of the summation of the d here 5. Then you will find the mean and this 15 you will get here. So then you will subtract the every observation subtracted by from the mean. So then 6 minus 15, then every observation get you. Then you will calculate this column. Square of this, square of minus 9 is plus 81, square of minus 7 is 49, square of minus 5 is 30, square of minus 5 is 25, square of 9 is 3 is 9, square of 1 is 1, square of 1 is 1, square of 3 is 9, square of 5 is 25, 7 is 49 and 9 is 81. Then you calculate this data, how much data of this. So then you will calculate this 9 1 10 15 20 21 30 and 40 45. This is calculate here. Yes student, the total of this observation is 330. After getting the 330 observation, then you will find the variance of it. How to find of the variance here? The variance you will find, the first you will write the identity here. Variance is equal sigma square is equal to sigma x minus mean का whole square upon n. So what is value of the n here? 10. At this you are value getting a 330. The result here come here 33. So this is your answer of the variance. And the variance of this given observation is 33. And how to find it? This is the identity here. As sigma x minus x. This is the mean, a whole square. This is the whole square of this. It means calculation of this column. Means calculation of this column. This is called the sigma total of this column. The 330 divided by 10. Total observation here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Count the observation, divide by this of this data, then you will get the variance. So according this way you will find the variance. Next thing, how to find out the standard deviations. So then suppose you have required the standard deviations. So this standard deviation is sigma. Sigma equal to square root of the variance. Square root of the variance. What value of the variance is 33. 33 is what square root of 33 means. So then you will find the square root of this according this division method of this 33. Then 5 5 ja 25. Then you get the 38. Next 5 or 5 10. Then you will write here next point 20 and 30. So then take your point and take next 0 here to 7 times. So 7 times you divide. So 7 ja 49 and 7 ja 7. So then you get your answer 5 point. Then 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 4 is 5. And take next pair here 107 plus 4 114. 114. So what next step here? 4 times. This is the 4 times here. So then you will get 4 4 is 16. 4 4 16 1 17. 11 4 is 44 1 45. So this is your answer. And 5.74. The standard deviation here 5.74 your answer. Or variance your 33. Or standard deviation your 44. In this way you will find the every question solved. Here student, next we will discuss here the first question of this exercise here. Exercise 15.2. Find the mean and variance for each of the data. Question number 1 to 5. In question number 1 to 5 here similar questions. So then how to find out this? The first question given is 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 8, 12. Are this data here without frequency data? Mean this data is not having the frequency first. The second thing, this is the ungrouped data. So how to find out the variance and mean of this data? And now look here. So then you will find here. Yes student, you will find the mean and variance. The given data here, question number first, exercise 15.2. Here given data here 6, 7, 10, 12, 13 and 4, 8 and 12. This is the data is given here. So how to find out the mean here? The first of all you write the tablet here. This is called the observation. The first this column is called the X. The first you will write the data. First data your 6, second data your 7, third data your 10, next 12, next 13, next 4, next 8 and next 12. So then you will find of the sum of this data in total. This is the sigma x. This is name of this sigma x. What value of this sigma x? So then you will find here 12, 20, 24 and 34, 34, 36. Then this is 72. This is called as total there 72. The total of this data is 72. But then you will find the mean of this data. Then you will find the mean of this data. Or this data is the ungrouped data, and second things here, this data not having the frequency also. The how to find out the mean? So then mean equal to, how to find out the mean here? The sigma x upon n. A total of count the observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The total here 72 upon 8. So what is the mean of this? Mean here there 8 9 ja 72. The mean here 9. So this is your mean. The mean of this observation is 9. So first of all you will find the given data. You will write in the column form when data is not given in the group form and when data is not given in the frequency also. Then you will write in this form. Then you will find the mean of this data. How to find out the mean? Sum of the observation upon number of the observation and divide and you get the mean data. After that you will find the square of this. Square of the observation. The square of the 6 36. Square of the 7 is 49. Square of the 10 is 100. Square of the 12 is 144. Square of the 13 is 169. Square of the 4 is 008. 16. Square of the 64. Or square of 12 is 144. After that, finding the square of the observation, then you will be find of the sigma x square. What is the sum of this data? What is the sum of this data? Then you will find of this. After finding of this data is 4 plus 4 10. The sum of this data is 722. Now after calculating all data in sum of this data, this result is come as 722. That means sigma x square result is come as 722. After that you will find the variance. The square of variance means the sigma x square upon n minus sigma x upon n is whole square. Our name of this observation, name of this part is called the mean. The same part, sigma x upon n whole square. The only square is the different, but sigma x upon n, sigma x upon is called the mean. This is called the mean. Or you get the mean is 9. So what value of sigma x square? Sigma x square value is 722 upon total observation is n is 8 minus, this is name of this mean. The square of the mean means 9, because you have already find out the mean, the 9 square of the 9. So 722 by 8, when divide you this, you will get here divide by 8. What get result is 722. 8 9 is 72. Then result here come 2 point. 2 is not divided, then 2 is not divided, put here 0, then point, then taking here 0. 8 2 just 16. So then 4 here, or 8 5 is 40. The result here come here 90.25. The variance here 90.25. This is the variance of. Thus your second answer of the variance. First answer your mean, because you will find in this question mean and variance, only mean and variance, not standard deviation. The answer of the mean is 9, or answer is the standard deviation. Variance is the 90.25. According this way, this is the rough work. This one is the rough work. For this is the, you will divide in the rough page and then write your only answer.